Big Vegan Energy. Today, it's not burger day, it's chicken Sammy day. Alright, we're gonna find the best chicken sandwich in the city. Right now we're at 5 Napkin Burgers. It's a chain, I think not strictly vegan, they have all kinds of stuff. I wouldn't even say it's like a vegan friendly place. They got like 2 burgers. But they got 2 fire sandwiches.
I'll put it down. That was perfect. Yeah.
The steam. Alright. It's really good. It's really like whatever their patty is for the chicken, breaded really well. It was crispy in certain parts. It was really soft in some parts. It was juicy. It tastes like a chicken parm, but there's like tomato jam in there somewhere. It was good. You saw the steam, like they literally made it as soon as we got it. Tahini broccoli. Literally just tastes like broccoli with tahini. Tahini. Thank you so much. The broccoli is a dub, but the sandwich, oh, good. I would go. Everything. The lady was from the Bronx, and she's like, I've never had like a vegan chopped cheese. Like, who makes that?
Right.
But she said it was one of the best ones she's ever had.
Wow. Yeah. I know where I'm going for lunch tomorrow.
What's up? So stop 2, we're at Quantum Leap. It's a veggie burger place. They've got bean burgers, impossible burgers, chicken, black bean, buffalo chicken, everything. Literally plant-based, vegan, everything here. It's kind of crazy. And then the Santa Fe is the panko breaded soy chicken. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. One.
Yes, ma'am. I know exactly what we're gonna get. So we're gonna do the buffalo chicken burger, and then the Santa Fe. That's it. That looks amazing. Thank you so much. Ooh. Buffalo burger. Buffalo chicken Sammy. Avocado, chicken, onions, purple slaw, aioli. I might have to retroactively downgrade the last sandwich. Oh man, this is the buffalo. There's bacon on there, tomatoes, purple coleslaw. How is this not chicken? It's really tough.
Not for me. I got this one. Yeah.
This is good. This is like a 4.1. I think this is a 4.3. So the Santa Fe is a 4.1. The buffalo is a 4.3. It's like it's sweet. It's hot. The chicken is still crunchy and it's covered in sauce, which is crazy. I don't know how they did that. The bread's crunchy. Oh, that shit.